Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out products from a brand that I have never heard of before, which I am so excited because I always love trying out products from new to me makeup brands. And this brand is called EVIO Beauty. EVIO Beauty. I never know how to pronounce things. But I just got this in my December 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box, which I thought that was such a great box this month. If you haven't seen my unboxing of it yet, that is up on my YouTube channel now. And so this is the Lip-spo Liner Duo. It retails for $24, and I'm really excited about the shades that I get in here. The two shades that I use the most when it comes to lip liners is like a medium pink shade like this one or a red one. So this really seems like a perfect duo. When I unboxed these, I also noticed how surprisingly light they are. Like they feel empty. So I'm guessing these are wood liners that you need to sharpen. Yep, that's what they are. And I'm gonna start out with some swatches. So, this one is called Val, is the name of the shade. Oh, that was a very surprisingly creamy, soft, pigmented. This truly is exactly the lip liner shade that I love. I recently used up it was from Thrive Cosmetics, and I think the shade was called Guava, and that was the lip liner I used every day. Like I literally used up a lip liner. How often does that happen? Like never. And then this shade is called Brooke. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, beautiful. I think this is the type of red lip liner that could go with any red lip because I like the look of a slightly darker line around the lips, like not like an obvious darker line around the lips, but just barely noticeable. I think it kind of gives a little bit more of a plumped up look to the lips. So based off the swatches, I am excited about these. I'm gonna, I think I'll try and just do a look using both of them. Why not? So I'm gonna do a little ombre look. So I'm gonna start out lining the outer section of my lips with the red one. Gosh, I am so impressed by how it just glides right on. I feel like so many of the wooden pencils really drag and pull. But this is so incredibly soft and pigmented. And because of that, I think it's gonna be great for filling in the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in these outer sections as well. Wow, seriously, so easy to fill in my lips with this. My gosh, and it feels so like moisturizing on the lips as well. Like almost a lip balm feel on my lips right now. That is incredible. Lip liners seem like such a simple, I guess, kind of product, like a product that I don't expect myself to have to spend a lot of money on to get a good one, but I'm like blown away by these right now. They're so easy to apply, so beautiful, so pigmented, so comfortable. So now I look so funny with like the middle of my lips not filled in, but that's where I'm gonna apply this one, the Val shade. Oh, I love this shade too. This is definitely gonna be like my daily lip liner. It is beautiful. And you know it's pigmented when I can actually cover up the red lip liner with this pink shade, which is lighter than the red, but so pigmented that it like actually shows up on top of the red. Wow. This is fun. I'm not sure how often I'll really do such an intense ombre lip like this, but look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks so beautiful. These lip liners are so good. If you're not using a lip liner with pretty much every lip product that you apply, I really think you should try it out. It is such a game changer. It makes your lips like they can look bigger if you want to overline your lips, but it just kind of like makes them look more precise, and I just think it changes my whole look when I can perfect the shape of my lips with the lip liner. And I am so excited to continue using these for that purpose, for using them to fill in my entire lips. Now it feels so soft and creamy on my lips that I feel like there's going to be like a full transfer mark when I do a kiss test, but let's find out. Yeah, that's actually, for a lip liner, that is a lot of transfer. So that's the only bummer about this, and I'm just not a huge fan of when there's transfer in my lip products. So because of that, I'll probably stick to using this just as a lip liner around my lips. But really, it's so pigmented, it's like completely intact still on my lips, even with all of that transfer. Wow. Well, now I need to try out more products from this brand, EVIO Beauty. So if you have any recommendations, I would love to hear about them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.